dito guys. Yan guys ang nahuli namin dito sa substation. Naligaw tig dito guys. Oh, bait niya guys oh. Wawa naman guys, baby pa, owl. Sipin nyo yan guys, owl ng Saudi yan guys. Tingnan nyo. Ayan na guys. Ayan na guys. Ayan guys, tulog siya guys. Tingnan nyo. Ang bait niyan guys oh. Puppet ko guys. Shop. Ayan guys oh, laki ng mata niya guys. Tingnan nyo guys. Hello. Baby pa siya guys. Wawa naman. Ayan guys oh. Tingnan nyo guys. Owl. Desert owl guys. Desert owl guys. Baby pa guys oh. Guys. Ano na ba niyan guys? Guys, takot siya guys. Ito na guys, nakita nyo guys, takot siya guys. Ganda guys, diba guys? Alaga ko guys.